I'm doing a review on this Cobra handheld CB radio. It is number 38. Here is the packaging that it came in. Cuts 90% of noise, ultra clear sound. It has 10 weather channels. It has full featured display. It is compact for maximum portability. It has 40 channels. This is part of the packaging. The batteries were not included. It takes 9 rechargeable AA batteries, so I got them from the store today. And it does not come with a charger of any kind, so that's something you're gonna need to buy. Or you could buy a battery charger, but then you have to keep taking them out of the machine. This here is for if you're driving around, you can plug it into your car. While it's plugged into the car, you can use it and it won't use the battery power, but this does not charge the batteries. This just runs it when it's in the car. You need the wall charger, which it does not come with. I have ordered that, but I haven't got it yet. That I ordered for $14. The radio itself cost about $79. And it has the book on how to use it, different CB rules. It tells you about the machine itself. It comes with some paperwork for you can register your CB radio. It has customer service papers in here with phone numbers. It says there's some stuff you can fill out for you can become a part of the National Citizens Band Center, and a few other papers. Tells you how to set it up. It shows each part and what it's called. It tells you which channels are open for anyone can use them. It tells you what the channels are typically for. Like channel 9 is for emergency. With channel 9, you can contact the police. With channel 9, you can report things that are a problem, like dangerous weather conditions. Somewhere in here, there's a page that gives examples of things that you should use on channel 9. Okay, here it is. The FCC gives examples of permitted and prohibited messages for Channel 9. These are only guidelines and not all inclusive. Okay, if there was a tornado, it's okay to report on this channel a tornado sighted 6 miles north of town. That's okay, because it's actually happening and it's an emergency. You should not put no tornado sighted, because there's no emergency if there isn't a tornado. And you can announce if you run out of gas on the highway or even on a street, but if you break down in your own driveway, that is not an emergency. Reporting that traffic is moving smoothly is not an emergency. If there's an accident or something like that, that would be an emergency. And it has some more examples on here. Shows you how to make distress calls. And I did go through that. And here is CB radio. The antenna, you push down and turn to take it off. The antenna comes with a standard antenna. This antenna will reach up to 4 miles. You can get one. It's like an old-fashioned radio antenna that has different sections that extend. If you buy that, it costs $30, that antenna, and you can get up to 30 miles with it. Or if you disconnect this, you can hook it up to your roof antenna on your car if you have a CB roof antenna. to get further. This here is not recommended for use in a moving vehicle, even though I have done it. It will work. It has this for you can put it on your belt or pants. Battery compartment here. There's 9 of them in there. This here, that's the charging port for your car. That's the one for the wall charger when I get it. This is in case you want to have a microphone and headphones. Here's the microphone on the machine itself. Okay, let's turn it on. And nobody's on channel 1 right now. So if you were gonna talk, you'd hit this button and everything you're saying would be broadcasted on channel 1. You can scan. It's on number 2 now. After a few seconds, it'll keep going to the next channel. And if you find one you like, you can hit scan again and it'll stop. Now it just went to 3. It'll go all the way to all 40 of them. And here you have a direct line to channel 9 or 19, which is typically used by truckers. Hit it again, it goes back to your regular one. If you hit this button, CB or Weather X, you can hear the weather. You just gotta find which one is in range. Okay, I am in the house right now. That's probably why it's not working. Part 2 of this video will be outside. Okay, I'm sitting outside now. Let's try the weather again. Now, there we go.
Massachusetts, in Westfield, cloudy, temperature 50, wind north at 3. At Chicopee Falls, cloudy, temperature 50, wind northwest at 3. In Worcester, light rain, temperature 54, wind south at 6. In Orange, cloudy, temperature 51, wind calm. And in 54. In New Haven, cloudy, and 61. At Bridgeport, cloudy, and 60. And in Groton, light rain, and 61. In New York State, in Albany, light rain, and 53.
Okay, so this will give you, depending on where you are, weather for miles. Some of the places this thing is saying are nowhere around here. And turn it back to the regular channels. Somebody's on channel 4 because it just showed 1 bar on the bottom. I'm surprised. Usually a lot of people are on these at night. And to turn on the light, in case it's dark, the screen is only lit when you first turn it on. But if it's dark, you hit this button labeled light, and it will turn on. See in the corners, there's a light, or on each side there is a light. This thing does work good. But because the company doesn't send batteries or a charger, it's going to probably cost you another $50 more than what the product is when you buy it. Because the batteries cost me about $40 for all those rechargeable batteries. Because rechargeable batteries cost a lot. Every part on this is replaceable through the company, including this clip in case you break it. I am outside. That is the security light. It keeps shutting off on me because I'm staying still. It has this band in case you can carry it, you don't drop it. These things usually are pretty durable, ones like this, for dropping. I used to have a walkie-talkie that was broken, so I took it apart. It was a commercial walkie-talkie for commercial use. It's plastic on the outside, but the inside is reinforced metal. That thing just wouldn't break. Thanks for watching.